So, hi guys. So, I'll show you the story, okay?
Waterways or pinagdadaluyan ng mga tubig natin. Di ba po? Possible po ba? Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes. It will affect the waterways. It is possible to mix the chemicals into the waterways. Okay, that will affect or will be dangerous to us as people. Di ba?
Bro, come on, bro.
Chemicals. Kasi yung daluyan po ng mga tubig doon sa drainage is connected also sa ibang daluyan ng tubig doon sa ibang pinagkukuhanan nila ng water. Okay, that's why it is very, very dangerous. So we need to prevent that one. Okay? We have 7 minutes. How about the third one? I will read this, okay? Before using any materials or substances, read the labels on their containers. Okay. So, dito, ang may mga label, yung mga ginagamit nila sa mga paglinis ng bathroom, paglinis ng mga bahay. Okay, may mga labels po dapat yan. Bakit
Oh, guys, I'm going to find. I'm going to.
Bakit po kailangan natin bigyan ng labels? Lalo na
I'm
yung
going
mga
to.
chemicals or mga detergents
To.
na gagamitin natin.
I'm going
Yes.
to
Hindi po, may iba-iba po silang sample.
pahinga a wire, guys. Okay? Okay.
Lalaro po?
Opo.
Sino po?
Hindi ko po alam.
Okay. Later on, okay? How about... Okay. How about... Kapag hindi natin nilagyan ng labels yung mga...
So, we are
chemicals,
back.
yung mga ginagamit natin pang linis, di ba it is very dangerous for us, lalo na sa mga bata katulad nyo, that... Yes, Miss Ward?
May drink.
Drink? Okay.
Oh! Fuck that shit!
So, the fourth one, flammable and combustible materials should be labeled correctly and displayed. Ay, kapitalize na, no? Ay, ito pala, ito pala. So, okay, I will give you some scenario. What if one of your younger brother or sister nakuha niya yung
Wait, one more.
container na yun na naglalaman ng mga toxic materials, okay, mga chemicals, anong mangyayari doon? Well, okay, Clark Kent.
Teacher, nakalimutan ko lang po yan.
Kaya,
Oo naman!
Natalia, anong mangyayari kapag naabot ng mga younger brother o younger sister, meron na kayo yung chemicals na
Oh, shoot.
nilagay sa tamang lalagyan? Anong mangyayari, Natalia? Explode or baka mabuhos doon sa younger brother or sister mo yun, and then it will affect
I'm tired, guys.
her body, no?
So, I'm waiting
Kaya,
a while, okay?
dangerous and hazardous ng mga chemicals na walang label and hindi nilagay sa tamang lalagyan. Okay, do you get it now? How to minimize or prevent some harmful changes or some harmful materials na identified. Okay, do you get it? Now, for the last question, because we have 3 minutes more,
Okay, we are back.
for the last question, what is chemical changes in your own knowledge that I don't know if you really understood?
Yo, what the fuck?
Okay, how about you?
Yo.
Sino po yung tinatawag?
Gra.
Gabi. What is chemical changes, Gabby? Can you answer or define what is chemical changes based on your understanding, Gabby?
So like
Can you
and
unmute your microphone,
sub.
Gabby? I can't hear
Bye
you.
bye guys.